Hello friends, welcome back to our Tsinfo YouTube channel. This is Ganesh Yadav. In this video, we are going to discuss how to create a SharePoint Online team site. First of all, open your SharePoint with respective Microsoft credential. Yes, a team site in SharePoint Online is a place to store, organize, share and access information or documents from any device. This is also helps increase team collaboration within a team or group within the organization. And also in a SharePoint team site, we can create lists, document libraries, calendars, task lists, news, events, etc. Now I will show you exactly how to create a team site in SharePoint Online. For that, click on the Create Site option. Here select the team site and provide the site name like Sales Team. And you can see here group email address and site address will automatically generated. And you can also add site description here and select the privacy settings like private or public, and you will get by defaultly English as a language. Then click on the next button, and here you can add a members like then click on finish button. See, this is how team site look like. And similarly, you can also create team site from admin center. For that, click on the app launcher option. Here select the admin and expand the show all option and select the SharePoint admin center and select active sites. And for creating a new site, just click on the create button and select the team site. Here provide the site name like marketing team. And once you add a site name, group email address, site address will automatically generated. Here enter the group owner. And by defaultly you get language as English. Then select advanced settings. Here you can see privacy settings like either private or public. And you can also see the time zone. And you can also add site description here. Then click on next button. And you can also add members here. Then click on finish button. See, our SharePoint team site is created. Just click on the site. This is how SharePoint Online team site look like. Yes, this is all about how to create a SharePoint team site from SharePoint homepage as well as SharePoint admin center. I hope guys you like this video. To give a like and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more free videos on SharePoint Online. Thank you.